Okay, guys, welcome back. It is January 23rd, Friday. Uh, actually got on early enough. We're leaving for meet later at like 1, so I got on the charts looking to trade. Took a loss, as you can see, like $400 loss. Don't care, that's in my risk management. And then I was trying to record this, and SteelSeries kept messing up the audio. I couldn't get it to work. So, today could not get more stressful or bad. But, this too shall pass. But kind of walking you through what I was thinking. So coming into market open, right? Boom. I see. I was pushed down. Actually, I think like the fifth. I was reading the 15-minute a little bit, but yeah, 15-minute right here. I saw us. Okay. Boom. Push up. Possible manipulate here. Down. Up. Down. So we're holding that high. Boom. Big sell off. Rebounds to discount right here. Right. Discount. Okay. Sweep. Okay. Push down. Failure swing. Possible more continuation shorts. Boom. Boom. We hit here, we start swooping here, we push up. I'm like, okay, could be discount, could be coming for this high to then send it lower. I like the lower because we had like a bunch of lows, and then I think we needed to rebalance this range too because we haven't done that. And then we're kind of just accumulating up here. So I'm like, accumulate. Okay, that could have been possible manipulation. But in hindsight, now I would have liked to see us take a high to then rebalance down to discount, but doesn't really matter. Boom. Play into market when we shot up. I'm like, okay, we're still holding this. I thought this was true manipulation. And I don't think I even marked it out, but it's like, okay, that did play out. So realistically, then the whole next leg of manipulation is this, which wanted to see us push lower, wanted to see us take these lows, honestly. London low is right there too. You got London and then like previous New York right there. And so I saw us push up. I'm like, okay, that could have been a great, discretionary entry for shorts right there. Boom, some retraces, boom. I saw this print, right? I saw us sweep that, change down in discount of this. I saw this pull back up and I'm like, okay, cool. Could be possible shorts in here. Boom. Push down. Didn't end up holding. Boom, push up. I'm like, okay, this where we could be coming into it. 9:45 news. So yeah, the next candle is the news candle, I believe. News candle. So that was kind of sporadic, but I liked what it did. We, took the low. Okay, took the high. I'm like, okay, get us a close bell here. I'm in. Boom. Fat closure. I really got filled like fucking down there, but doesn't really matter. Boom. Waiting. I had my break even or even first possible take profit was there. I'm like, I'm not doing anything till there. Saw that. This is just premium of the range. Boom. Saw that. Oh no. But I'm like, it's so close to my stop loss that I'm just gonna let it go. Saw us accumulating. I'm like, okay, could take the high one last time. Nope. Got stopped out. Then we just started ripping. We've been ripping since. But even even this fractal, we didn't come back to discount, so nothing too nice there. But took the low, took the low, change in state up here. If you like entering foreign premium just to take that high, then yeah. But where are we now in price action? We just keep going. We're up here. There's really nothing much. I think I'll go on the 15-minute. Nothing much over here besides, this high. There's a couple for value gaps, but yeah. But then I think a lot of people were eyeing shorts this morning. I think they wanted to see us take some of this lows, which granted that could just be what price wanted to do. But looking at this is just straight distribution. This isn't like some BS choppiness. This is just straight distribution. And so thinking of it like that, it's like if we think about it as, okay, where was the last low? Okay, it's right over here. Okay, so if these candles are manipulation right here, We think that is manipulation. Okay, push up. We get the change in the state. Okay, boom. Feather swing, soup. Push back up a little bit. We're not taking the highs, so really this is just, accumulation going back and forth, back and forth. But then, when we take the low and then change in the state, and then that low becomes protected, then this one, take the low, boom, that's protected, and then we just rip. And so that's kind of where I was, coming from on this. And even though this previous leg manipulation that I drawn out down here, boom, I mean that's like to the tick perfect there, and then up here. But then it's like, where are we? We're just kind of accumulating. I would have loved to see us accumulate, manipulate, distribute up to take the highs, because right now this looks like we're just accumulate, manipulate to distribute it way lower. But no, we're kind of accumulating on top of this gap. We're holding this. Does make a little bit of sense, but I still would have loved to see shorts play out even a little bit. And taking one loss inside the boundaries, that's gonna happen. It's the first time I've traded since 2 weeks, so I'm fine with that. I'm excited to get back out there, to get back here on Monday and hop back on the charts. Might do like live recordings of my sessions, because I'm only gonna be on from whenever I get back, either from class or whenever I get back from breakfast, till like 10, because practice is, I think it's, hopefully it's not at 10. I think it's at 10:15, but yeah, hopefully it's 10:15 so I can record some of this, because this trade was, perfectly in there. Boom. Entered on the 946 candle. Okay. I mean, if we would have kept distributing, I mean, we probably would have taken the lows by 10. And so at that time, if we did distribute, we're down here and I have my take profits and I can walk away from the charts. And so that's the thing, like that first macro is huge for all of this. And so, the time was right. I like where we were in price for shorts, and just didn't work out. So I'll see you next time.